various situations in our day-to-day life. Here is there. All are same? No. All are same? No. In scientific, some is working, some are not working. For example, you are going up first floor. For example, so you are going through the steps or staircases. You reach there. Are you working? Yes. Are you working? Yes. So somebody are porter standing on the platform with some luggages. Is he working? No. He is not working because there is no distance. No distance. See, in our common prescription of work, all the forces acting on bodies applied by person mentioned in example 1 to 4. Already we explained the one. Example 1 is, what is the situation 1? What is the situation 1? Man lifting cement bags. Man lifting cement bags. What is the meaning of lifting here? It is changed into some distance. First it keep at the ground and after some time it reached in the some container or some vehicle. Okay, so it takes some distance now, so it is working. What is the second situation? A girl pulling a toy car. A girl pulling a toy car. So here is there some distance? Yes, sir. Move some distance? Yes, sir. So it is also working. Next, what is the situation 3? Rock. Is it move? No. It's not move. So is there working? No. Is there not working? Next, what is the fourth situation? Yes, a porter is standing at the platform of the railway station platform with the luggages. So there is also no distance. It does not move any distance. So there is no work. So in our common prescription of all the forces acting on your body applied by person mentioned in the example 1 to 4 are doing work, but according to science we are thinking all are working. In our common view all are working, but in scientific, but according to science only forces applied by a person mentioned in example 1 and 2 are doing works. 3 and 4 was not doing works. According to scientific concept of the work, two conditions need to be satisfied in order to say that work has been done. So, how many conditions are there in scientific definition? 2 conditions. According to scientific concept, here is there two conditions. Amulya, how many conditions here is there? Mainly 2 conditions. One is force should be act on the object. Force should be act on the object. It should be must act on one object. The object must be displaced or there must be changed the position of the object. There must be change their position or displacement or displaced. The object must be displaced. Object must be displaced or change their position. Change their
Position.
So this is the two condition. What is the first condition? A force should act on
Object.
a force should act on
Object.
repeat once again.
A force should act on object.
A force should act on
Object.
Next second.
The object must be
The object must be displaced. The object must be
displaced.
or change their position. Or
Change their position.
see, let us define the work. So for example, see here. Here I applied some force. Here I applied some force. Is it moving?
Yes,
Change its position also. When it is first it was what position is this?
sir.
Rest. It is in
Rest.
when applied some force in the motion. Okay, or it change their place. First duster is here. After applying force was here. Okay, so work. The defined work to equal the product of force and distance. The product of force and distance is called work. Product of distance and force or force and distance. Product of distance and force or distance. Okay, work is equal to force into force into work is denoted by letter W. Work is denoted by W and force is denoted by F into distance S. Distance so you can write W is equal to Fs. W is equal to this is the formula of what is the definition? Product of distance and or force and distance. Force and it is the definition. What is the formula? Work into is equal to force into. What is the units of force? What is the SI units of force? Newtons. What is the SI units of distance or displacement? Meters. So Newton meter is the SI units of work, no? Or we can call joules. Joules. Newton meter or joules. Joule. Okay? It is later indicated by the SI units of work is Newton meter or joule. Newton meter or joule is indicated by letter J. Okay? Work has only magnitude but there is no direction. Work has only magnitude all having only magnitude, but some having magnitude and direction. So if it is their magnitude and direction, that is called vector. That is called
Vector.
If it is their only magnitude, there is no direction, that is called scalar. Not scalar, scalar. Okay? Scalar. Vectors and scalar. Okay. These only work has only magnitude. There is no direction. So work is a vector or scalar. It has only magnitude, no direction. Is it scalar or vector?
Scalar.
Scalar. It is a scalar. Okay. Example 1. See, a boy pushes a book kept on the table. A boy pushes a book kept on a table by applying force 4.5 newtons. Find the work done by the force. If the book is displaced through 30 centimeters along the direction of push. So find the work. How much of work will done? Here is the applying some force. How much of force is that?
4.5
4.5. Next, it moves some distance. 30. What is the SI units of distance? What is the SI units of distance? Here is there only centimeters. So we want to change meters. So 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Huh? See, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is, I want meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. In 100 centimeters is there one part, that is 1 centimeter.
0.3.
No, 0.1. 30 centimeters. Okay. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 2 centimeters is equal to 2 by 100. 3 centimeters,
3 by 100.
30 centimeters,
30 by
30 by 100. 30 centimeters is equal to
100. 30 by 100.
Meter.
0.3.
Meters.
So force F is equal to 4.5 newtons. Distance S is equal to 0.3 meters. So what is the formula of work? Force 4.5 into 4.3. 4.5. 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13 5 3 1 0 1 not 35 1.35 1.35 you will get one and a half mark only. If it is there 2 marks, you will get 1 and a half mark only. Why? For why?
SI unit.
Units not there. What is the units? Huh? Newton, meter, joules. 1.35 joules. You will 2 marks now. Without units. So, how much of work done here? 1.35 joules. One more example. See, one more example. Calculate the work done by a student. Calculate the work done by a student in lifting a 0.5 kg book from the ground and keeping it on a shelf of 1.5 meters height. 1.5 meters of height. So here is the weight of the book and distance is there, but there is no force. There is no force. See, distance, how much is there? To lift, how much of height?
1.5.
That is distance, no? Height also distance, no? So 1.5 meters distance he lifted. Next, force is there? Is here force? What is there? Weight of the book. What is the weight of the book?
0.5.
How can you find work? Do you want to work? You want F and S is there. So you want to find first F. Force. Force is equal. Is there any formula? F is equal. What is the formula? F is equal to MA. Very good. F is equal to
MVA.
if it is there linear the ground. If it is go linearly the ground. If you go up and down, you will take G instead of A. G is the gravitation now. So we can take G. M into G. You know G value? 9.8. You will take 10 also, no problem. So M is equal to, weight is equal to mass 0.5. Come and do this problem. How will you try? Try at least. Try yourself. Alright, right? Yes, that is. This one not here. 4.9. Okay. What is the units? Units. Force. Newtons. Okay. What do you want? Work. Write down work W is equal to. What is the formula? No need to write the work. W. What is formula W is equal to? S into S. What is the value? 1.5. 7.3. जाओ, very good. Very good.
Class level. Hello, class level. Class level.